back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone work-from-home job lead for you. Of course, we're going to get right into it, but as always, the links to all the pages that I share are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video if you want to go read reviews on the company or put that application in. Today's job lead is going to be dealing with social media and moderating social media pages and content. The company that is hiring is called The Social Element. They have 92 reviews on Glassdoor, and out of those reviews, they have a 3.7 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a social media community manager and moderator. You've got to speak the U.S. English language, so this is probably only for the United States. Now, they are looking for somebody to moderate user-generated content on their allocated client sites and post client-created standard response templates where required. So some clients will give you response templates so that you don't have to come up with those responses yourself. You'll be responding to complaints, queries, and engaging with the online audience on behalf of the client in a number of different industries across a variety of different social media channels. You'll also put your own creative spin on some of the standard response templates to engage with the audience and be in keeping with the brand's tone of voice. So when you're moderating this content, making sure everything on the pages is what the brand wants, you'll be reviewing strong graphic images and written content that violates the guidelines of the community, and you'll escalate that content that falls within the escalation process, like child safety, bomb threats, things like that, up the chain of command. So you're basically just reviewing the things that are posted online, responding to comments where needed, and making sure that you escalate or take down anything that is not appropriate to be posted. Now, they do have multiple different shifts available. It says they're looking for people who can be flexible with their availability and work some weekdays, some evenings, and some weekends. They are requiring that you be available on the weekends, at least Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday as a minimum. I am not going to read this entire schedule, but of course, different days they have different time slots available that they're needing filled. Now, as far as requirements go, you have to be able to speak English. It says background experience. They want somebody who either has social media or customer care experience, some kind of moderation experience, or copywriting experience. Of course, you got to know how to use Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, LinkedIn, and YouTube. You got to be confident with that digital technology and someone who is self-motivated. Now, they are requiring you to bring your own computer. They do not supply that for you. The tech requirements of what kind of computers are accepted are listed. Now, of course, their actual pay was not listed in the job description. That's going to have to be discussed at the time of the interview, but I always try to do a little bit of research and get an estimate of what we think this job might pay. And of course, on Glassdoor, they have a multiple different salary ranges listed. They have a social media specialist from $54,000 to $56,000, a moderator $64,000 to $68,000. This page is linked down below as well if you want to scroll through these. A social media engagement specialist, $55,000 to $58,000, but they do have a social media community manager job posted, and that ranges anywhere from $59,000 a year all the way up to $62,000 a year. So this is an exact match to the job title posted. So this is what I used for my estimate, anywhere from $59,000 to $62,000 a year. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those. And if you have any suggestions on how I could make these job lead videos more helpful to you, let me know down below as well. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.